Hey, today is the day that we finally make the ropa vieja, and we're gonna make vaca frita too. I'm gonna make them both the same day, so you're probably gonna see this intro twice. My two most requested recipes. Let's get in the kitchen. Let me show you how. Okay, so the falda, which is, I believe, flank, you can also use brisket or London broil. It's been sitting in this crock pot all night in stock with an onion and green pepper and some bay. And it is nice and tender now. See that? Flaky. So we're going to go ahead and shred it. Let's get started. Okay, we're back. See how it's nice and golden now? This is how my family likes it. This is my daughter's favorite, and that's how she likes it. So that's how I make it. You're going to put in one onion now. One onion. And we're going to let that get tender along with, it calls for one green pepper, but I use half. I'm not a fan of the green pepper as much in this dish, even though I love green pepper. So make sure you slice them julienne this way, lengthwise, not dice. Okay? Now we're going to let this get soft. Oops. Okay. We're also going to add some garlic. And this is where we salt. And you're going to add some parsley. All to taste. Okay, along the way, while you're browning this, if it gets too dry, because it does tend to get dry, you can add a little bit more olive oil or whatever flavorless oil you're using. And you can add some of the broth that it braised in, and that should help. Okay, let's give this a few minutes. Okay, my veggies are tender. My meat is toasty. The only thing I forgot to do, not the only thing, I forgot to add some pepper. So here we go. Matter of preference. And last but certainly not least, the juice of one lime. That is so important. The juice of one lime or more. We love, 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 love the lime. So we abuse of it. There you have it, baby. You need to try this. It's so simple, but it's so amazing. Guys, this is so good. Citrusy, crispy perfection. I hope you try it. And you know what? If you want to do something almost as good really quickly, you can get a rotisserie chicken from the supermarket and shred it up and do the same thing. And it will be delicious in a matter of minutes. They'll think you worked hard. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a little tribute to my daughter. Like I said, it's her favorite dish. She's away at college, and this is my way of still being able to teach her. So I will be back really soon. You guys keep asking for croquetas de jamón, so that's probably what I'm doing next, ham croquettes. So I will see you very soon. Thank you for watching, and if you're enjoying my videos, please support me by subscribing. You guys be safe.